Viewer, today our topic is psychological determinants. Before the starting video, I request you to subscribe my channel, like and share. A knowledge of the main factors operating in human growth and development and in learning is essential for those who life work will lie primarily in dealing constantly with people, especially do teacher need is knowledge and they need in particular to be aware of those characteristics of child development and learning that varies sharply at different ages and grade levels. Through maximum use of such knowledge, the teacher guides the child to build his educational structure upon a sound foundation from the first grade. Graduation school administrative personnel have called upon the psychologist for help in training prospective teacher in these respects. Historically, educational psychology developed as a branch of applied psychology in order that teacher and prospective teacher might learn more about human behavior, especially as it affected the educational life and growth of the school child. A rapid development of the instruction of educational measurement accompanied the study of the people measuring instruments were formulated for ascertaining both the child mental capacity and his progress in school. Experiments in measurement have produced intelligence test of the achievement diagnostics and the remedial test of interest, attitude, and personality test and the inventories and prognostic test of the special abilities. They have also produced a mass of educational statistics. The emphasizes upon test and measurement in education simulated the attempt to apply the specific method or study to education. More and more attention was centered upon the specific approach to the behavior of children. For example, the Wetso 9, the Wetso 9 School of Educational Psychology believe that the principle of human behavior in learning should be established only on the basis of proof from test and objective experimental methods to date. The educational psychologists have not agreed among themselves as to exactly how children learn. One read about conceptual, cognitive, intuitive, perceptual, and behavioral learning about readiness, interest, motivation, and maturation in learning about learning by internalized structure, field, theory, learning, and situational learning. What the docs each of these men. That's it for today. Come back in the next video.